Hi, this is Sophie. I've just come back after my vacation. It's around a week ago, and we had to come early because of the present crisis. I'm quite fed up of hearing the COVID 19 news, and I thought of taking a break. I opened the fridge and I saw a bunch of carrots. So I thought this is the occasion. Now I'm going to make carrot sweet or carrot halwa, which is one of the most delicious sweets served during weddings and parties. So let's start. So the ingredients for this carrot halwa are it's just placed in the basket. We have first the carrots, which are 4 cups, and the cups are here. It's the normal cup which I took. It's this 4 cups of this. I first cleaned and shredded the carrots on this particular shredder. 4 cups. I've taken 2 cups of sugar, some cashew nuts, pistachios, kismis or raisins, and these are badams. And also I've crushed some sugar along with cardamoms for its flavor. I've just closed it and kept it. And we need butter or ghee for frying the carrots. And I've taken 4 cups of milk for the same purpose. So let's start. So I already switched on the pan. I've put 5 heaped tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Once it's melted, you put in the dry fruits. I've put the kismis. Once it's nice and plump, you can take it off and put the other nuts in it. You have to adjust the heat as per the nuts that is being sautéed inside the oil. So you can also do it separate in another pan, but I prefer doing it on the pan that I'm going to make the halwa. So I put the nuts in it, adjust the heat accordingly, as I've said, so that it won't get burnt, and remove it in a sieve so that the extra oil gets drained in the pan itself. Just be careful because the butter melted is really hot. Now we put in the carrots and saute it, the 4 cups of carrots, and we saute it for some time. So now we see that it's been cooked. It's reduced a little bit, and see how it's boiling, and it looks really good. So we have to wait some more time till the whole thing gets evaporated and take it. So here we see it being cooked. Scrape it from the sides so that everything gets cooked evenly. Preferably take a bigger pan so that it becomes faster, and a non-sticky pan would be even better, so we don't have to keep stirring it all the while when it gets evaporated more and more. So here we see it being cooked. Scrape it from the sides so that everything gets cooked evenly. Preferably take a bigger pan. So now you see that it has reduced to nearly half, but we still have to keep stirring it. Even if it's a non-sticky one, you have to keep stirring it, especially when you put it on high flame. You have to be close to it. Okay, so I just wanted to show how it got reduced, and we'll get back again when it's nearly done. Okay, if you think that you have to lower the flame, now it's still on high. See how much it has reduced. See, some like to have it this way, a little loose. Usually for weddings they give it this way. They just put it in a big bowl and you have to scoop it from inside and have it as a dessert after your dinner or lunch, depends. So at this stage, so you see how it's coming out, and you see all the oil oozing out from the sides. Okay, so I'll just put it on slow fire now. This is my cardamom flavor, which I have grounded with some sugar. So I'll just put it. It's the same amount, the sugar which I took from the 2 cups. So this, it might loosen again a little bit, so you have to stir it to your consistency. I can get the aroma. So let's put it on high fire again. See, it has loosened a little bit because I just put the sugar along with the cardamoms. So we just stir it a little more. And we'll put in the dried fruits too, which is taken out. And the raisins. Wow, that looks yummy. So good. My daughter is the one who's helping me. She's right over here looking at it. My husband is watching the TV because we are still on quarantine for 14 days, so we can go to work too. So I thought this is the best way I can do something. You see, it looks so good. The time now is 3 a.m. and people would be wondering, what the hell am I doing now at this time? Well, the jet lag, and I'm the person who just want to do something all the time. So it's done. Also, if you'd like to see more of my videos, please let me know below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button. Thank you. Also, if you'd like to see more of my videos, please let me know below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe